everybody. Thank you for honoring 125,000 employees of Tech Mahindra with the India's top companies Sustainability and CSR 2020 award. Thank you again, Economic Times. The greatest threat to our planet and our existence is the belief that it is not our responsibility. Somebody else will save it. We all have to leverage the power of human mind in order to rethink, innovate, and build solutions to achieve not only economic recovery from the pandemic, but also start looking at how do we balance it with sustainable technologies and bringing in alternatives to the mainstream. It has now been proven that organizations that reinvent themselves will get a lot more value from the shareholders. They also build environmentally and socially aware operations. I think for Tech Mahindra, this is not some things that we even discuss or negotiate. We are focused on responsible business growth. We want to focus as much on eco-efficiency as much on operational efficiencies. We are committed that the carbon neutrality, that we will be not consuming fossil fuels, and that we will look at every method to bring in a healthy ecosystem. Our focus on CSR is clearly demonstrates that Tech Mahindra Associates are not just passengers on the cruise ship named Earth. We are responsible and active crew members. Somebody did say, a chain is no stronger than the weakest link. I think when you create a circular economy, we must ensure that the links are connecting, they are strong, and sustainability is the glue, sustainability is the strength. So, again repeating, Tech Mahindra will continue to focus on environmental, social, and corporate governance metrics, and we would like not only Tech Mahindra but all its partners to become more and more responsible citizens in India and all the 90 countries that we do business with. Sustainability for Tech Mahindra is the holy grail of business. We actually have taken this opportunity to reboot ourselves, to actually work together with our associates to reiterate while we are doing global transformation, but let us reinforce our strong commitment. Let's get into the action mode. We want to be one of the most responsible companies in the world. We want to be not only responsible internal to Tech Mahindra, but we want to support our associates, our customers, our partners, and society at large to become a more sustainable ecosystem. So thank you again, Economic Times, for recognizing us. The journey has begun. It has no finish line, and we will continue to run. Thank you again. Thank you so much.